How much do you need to invest in one stock to earn $100 a month? Coming up. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to look into how much you need to invest in one stock only, one company, to earn $100, should I say, a month in dividends. So this is a video I was quite excited to do. I love watching these videos on YouTube, whether it's $100, $250, $1,000, how much you need to monetary value put into that company to therefore earn that much in dividends. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. There's going to be loads more content just like this, and like the video if you do get some value from this, and hopefully you do, and hopefully you enjoy watching this as much as I like watching these styles of videos. So we're going to get straight into it, and then what I'm also going to do is apply it to a portfolio that is a live portfolio. That's my portfolio. I'm going to go through my dividend tracker, my free dividend tracker, Track Your Dividends, which is an okay platform to use. They don't support UK stocks. I've got a few UK stocks, so not amazing, but supports the US stocks that I invest in, and we'll apply it to a real portfolio, not with one stock in particular, but my top 5 holdings, and look at how I'm earning $100 a month just from my top 5 holdings. So we'll get into that in a second, but I'm going to place up here on the side the calculations I want to do and show you exactly how much you need to be putting into the market, the stock market, to earn your $100 a month in dividends. So the company we're going to use is AT&T, one of my favorites. Big dividend yield at the moment, paying up $2.08 every year for every one share, and they're at $26.72, or they were certainly yesterday when I looked. Let's have a quick look. Oh, they've jumped massively. Okay, so they're $28.24 at the moment. I'm on Seeking Alpha, and the yield is 7.78%. So we do the calculations for you right here on the screen. I'll put them up there. So these are the calculations you need to do. So you want to be earning $100 per month. Times that by 12, obviously. That gives you $1,200 a year. This is really easy stuff. You then need to divide that by your annual dividend, which as of right now is $2.08. That gives you the number of shares you would need to achieve that $1,200 per year, and that comes out at, near as makes no difference, 577 shares. Now at today's price, 577 shares comes to, you times that by the share price right now, which is at 28.25 according to Seeking Alpha, our preferred stocks and shares website for information, and this is the magic number. So $16,298 into the stock market to earn your $100 a month in pure passive income. You've done nothing for all this other than own these shares. Now this is obviously paid quarterly, as most companies and stocks do. There's a few monthly payers, but AT&T is a quarterly payer, so you'll receive this dividend payment every quarter. You average it out across the year, gives you $1,200 per year, which is your $100 per month. Now this calculation you can do for anything. Take any stocks and shares, apply the same calculation, your $100 a month, times it by 12, $1,200 a year, divide by the annual dividend. That's the number of shares you need, and then you times by the share price. Easy peasy. Rewatch that again over and over if you need to. So we're going to jump into the portfolio and the dividend tracker, and I'm going to apply it to a live portfolio and kind of trying to help you to sort of, for it to sink in and for you to realize that it's easy enough to do. You just need time on your side to be investing in the stock market. So let's jump into the portfolio and do that now. Right, here we are guys in the portfolio, not the portfolio, in Seeking Alpha. This is just an overview obviously of the company. So $28.24 at the moment, 7.78% yield, $2.08 annual payout. Next dividend is going to be 52 cents, so times that by 4, that gives you your annual. Makes sense. been increasing their dividend yield for 20 years. And this is track your dividends. So I've just started using this to track my dividend income. So $44,000 portfolio, just over 4.86% dividend yield and 4.483 on cost. And I've got an annual dividend income of $2,184. They don't support UK stocks, or certainly very few UK stocks, so only US stocks really, and which isn't brilliant because I've got some UK stocks in my portfolio. But anyway, right, we're just going to look at the top, right, annual income. Let's get that in, and we're going to look at the top 3 stocks. So I will put this on the screen again so you can see exactly what I'm working out. So here we go, let's work it all out, and I'll put this on the screen, which will be just above me here, I believe. Either above me or next to me or whatever else. So my top holding in terms of annual income is AT&T. I've got a big position in AT&T and they've got a massive yield. So we're $370, and again I'll put this up here. I'm not going to do the cents, I'll add like a dollar at the end or something for that, but 370 and 297 for PTY, which is PIMCO Opportunity Income Fund. Have a look at the card at the top there of when I bought those and why I bought them. A good income fund. And your $226 for AT&T, so one of my favourites, as you know. 109 shares in that, so quite a big position in that as well. Massively down at the moment. Add Enterprise Products Partners, which is EPD, and that's $170. And then MO Ultra Group, another video up there in the card at the top there of when I bought those, so check that out, because the more watches and views my channel gets, the better. That's the only reason. The video is terrible, but go and watch it anyway because it helps the channel. $130. So here we are, 1194, plus you probably add a couple of dollars just for the cents there, so 1195. Your nearest makes no difference, $1,200 in a year. So my top 5 holdings just here: MO Ultra Group, EPD Enterprise Products Partners, AT&T, PTY is PIMCO Opportunity and Income Fund, AT&T is AT&T, so which is it's a mortgage REIT, monthly payer. So just in the top 5 big payers, I've got $1,200 a year, which is $100 averaged out across a month, and that is in a real portfolio, so that gives you good transparency as to exactly how you do it and monetary value and things like that. So I just wanted to quickly apply it to a real portfolio just for complete transparency. Lots of videos I watch for these sort of things, they're literally just, these are the calculations and this is how much you need. Great, I've done that, but let's now apply it to a real portfolio and look at how many positions I've got in my top 5, which then add up to my 1,200. 1195. Let's say, for example, these on average would increase their dividends each year by 2 to 3%. One or two of them may not increase at all. So let's say you get an average of a 1% increase. I'll do this again here. So you're going to times your 1195 by 100 itself and the 1% percent equals, and that's your 1,200, just over your $1,200 per year, just with a small increase. So that's it. Just wanted to be completely transparent and apply it to an actual portfolio with complete transparency, so you can see exactly how it all works really. And that's it. So I'll throw you back out there. Hi guys, right, I hope that was helpful in some way, shape or form. I hope you got some sort of value from that, seeing it in a live portfolio, my kind of top 5 holdings and where my first $100 in dividend income comes from. I've got a bit more and I'm averaging maybe 150 pounds-ish, so $175, $180 per month at the moment. I have literally just sold out of Snap as it rocketed, went up I was in 327% up in it. It's rocketed the last couple of days, and I'm a dividend investor. It was always going to be a speculative play. I bought it in the dip. It's performed fantastically. I've sold out and I've just reinvested that money back into Realty Income, ticker symbol O, the monthly dividend payer. It's a REIT, a very good REIT, a very well-known REIT, and has been paying, I think it's an aristocrat. So been paying and increasing their dividends for a very long time. And it's got a 4.71% dividend yield at the moment. So I've just sold out a snap, reinvested it back into Realty Income, which means my annual dividend income is has just gone up as well. So always tinkering with the stock market, selling out certain positions and going into others, and I'll update you kind of along the way. So as I said, hopefully seeing that as a live portfolio, my top 5 holdings has been very helpful. Please subscribe to the channel because there'll be loads more content like this and similar coming up over the next few years, hopefully, and beyond. Like the channel, really helps the channel out. Give it a little thumbs up and comment below what else you'd like to see, whether it's a $250 a month income or $1,000 and what I would be going into. Let us know what you're getting each month in dividend income. I'd love to sort of share some stories and things like that. So give us a comment below and we'll have a conversation about it. But until next time, next video, catch you guys later. See ya.